Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am here to elaborate another topic which is called the land of Pakistan. It is related to the introduction of the land of Pakistan, and if you have not liked my channel, if you have not subscribed it, do it and press the bell icon so you can get the latest videos. First of all, we have to see that what does this word geography means. So the geography is a combination of two words, geo and graphy. Geo means land or earth and graphy means the description. So it means the description of earth and land, and that is called geography. Now we have to see the cardinal points. I know you have been seeing these cardinal points since childhood, but we have to see this, that the four main points of the compass, north, south, east and west, are called cardinal points, but the other lies in the midway between the cardinal points. These are called northeast, southeast, northwest and southwest, and they help us to find the location of a particular place. Then map. What is a map? When the earth or part of it transferred to a flat sheet of paper, it is called map, and before making a map it is necessary to make a scale. Globe. Globe is actually basically a round map of our world, and these are called globes. Border is an imaginary line between the two countries, and grid refers to the network of longitude and latitude lines. So if you want to read about any country's introduction, you need to know these all basic criterias on which we find the location of any geographical region within or outside the country. So first of all, we have to see what are latitudes. Latitudes are imaginary lines that run east to west on the globe, and these are called lines of latitude or the horizontal lines on the globe. And total number of latitudinal lines are 180, and these lines are also called parallels. The imaginary line drawn around the middle of the earth is called an equator. If we cut along the equator, the earth separates into two hemispheres, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Most of the earth's land is in the northern hemisphere, so it is the middlemost latitudinal line. Now if we talk about the longitudes, the vertical lines on the globe run from north to south between the poles are called lines of longitude. Total longitudes are 360. These lines are also called meridians. So prime meridian is an imaginary line that runs from north to south pole. This creates eastern and western hemispheres. The continents in the eastern hemisphere were traditionally called Old World, while those in the western hemisphere are called Western or Modern World. Now, the next is the land of Pakistan. First of all, we have to see that the location of the Pakistan over here. You can see that the neighboring countries are China, India, Afghanistan, Iran, and Tajikistan is next neighbor. Then we have different provinces over here. So Pakistan basically emerged on the map of the world on 14th August 1947 as a result of partition of the Indian subcontinent into two states, namely Pakistan and India. So initially Pakistan was comprised of two distinct areas, namely East Pakistan and the West Pakistan. But after December 1971, East Pakistan was separated and emerged as an independent state called Bangladesh. So if we talk about the location of Pakistan, Pakistan is located in the northern hemisphere of 24 north to 37 north latitude and 61 east to 78 east of longitude. It is the Tropic of Cancer passes near the southern border of Pakistan. The total area of Pakistan is 7,96,096 square kilometers. stretching over 1600 kilometers from north to south and about 885 kilometers from east to west. In northeast of Pakistan has a common border 585 kilometers with China. It is also called Sino-Pak border and it was marked in 1963. In the northwest, Pakistan has a 2,252 kilometer long border with Afghanistan known as Durrani Line. Then to the southwest of Pakistan, it has a common border with the Islamic Republic of Iran of about 912 kilometers and it was marked in 1957 and it is known as Goldsmith Line. The Arabian Sea is in the south of Pakistan of about 1046 kilometers wide. Then in the east, it has a common border with India, which is called line of control of about 12 kilometers long. It is also known as Red Cliff Line and it was marked in 1947. Pakistan has 5 provinces: Balochistan, Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Gilgit-Baltistan. Gilgit-Baltistan was declared as a province in August 2009, but it doesn't have its own assembly yet. Now, if we see Pakistan is in the location of in the world map, you can see that Pakistan is in the Asian continent in the south of Asia, and it is on a strategically it is on a very important place. Then if we see Pakistan in the south of Asia, we can see that Pakistan is near to the landlocked areas like Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan. They all are next to next neighboring countries of Pakistan. Then China is one of the biggest neighbors of Pakistan. Then in the Far East Asian countries, Pakistan has its ties. Then in western side, Afghanistan, Iran and other Arabic countries are one of Pakistan's good friends. Now, if we talk about the provinces and federal areas of Pakistan, Pakistan has got 5 provinces as I told earlier: Balochistan, Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Gilgit-Baltistan. It has some federally administered areas like FATA, which is a federally administered tribal area, and then Azad Kashmir and Islamabad. These are the federal areas. Now, the major provinces over here we can see in this map: Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, federally administered areas, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Gilgit-Baltistan, and this is Azad Kashmir. And this is the occupied Kashmir map. Now, if we talk about the major cities of Pakistan, you should know at least 5 to 6 major cities and their location of every province of Pakistan. In Punjab, we have Lahore, Faisalabad, Rawalpindi, Multan, Sialkot, Gujranwala and Mari. In Sindh, we have Karachi, Hyderabad and Sakkar. In Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, we have Peshawar, Abbottabad. In Balochistan, we have Quetta and Gwadar. In Gilgit-Baltistan, we have Gilgit and Chitral as the major cities. In this map, you can see the location of the main cities. Over here, it's Quetta, Karachi, Hyderabad, Sakkar. Over here, Sahiwal, Faisalabad, Lahore, Rawalpindi, Islamabad, and so on. Now, if we talk about the topographical features of Pakistan, Pakistan has many topographical features like mountain ranges to rivers, plateaus, Indus plains and desert areas. We are going to read all these in detail in topography chapter. Mountain ranges we have over here are northern mountain ranges, northwestern mountain ranges and western mountain ranges. We have main rivers like Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, Kabul, Kurram, Gomal, Zob and Hab, which irrigates most of the land of Pakistan. Then we have plateaus like Potwar Plateau and Balochistan Plateau. We have Indus plains like Upper Indus Plain and Lower Indus Plain. We have magnificent desert areas like Thal in Punjab, Thar and Kharan desert as well. Let's see the topographical areas on the map. Over here in the north you can see the northern mountains, then the northwestern mountains, then in the western side you can see the western mountains. We have Balochistan Plateau, we have Potwar Plateau over here, we have Salt Range near the Potwar Plateau, Then we have Indus Plains. The upper Indus Plain is the northern Punjab, and the lower Indus Plain in parts of Sindh and southern Punjab. Then we have Kharan Desert in Balochistan. We have desert areas, the Thar Desert in Sindh. We have desert in Punjab as well, which is called the Thal Desert. We have Arabian Sea in the south. So these are comprised of all the topographical areas of Pakistan. Now, if we talk about the rivers of Pakistan, you can see over here that the main longest river of Pakistan is Indus River. It has some eastern tributaries, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Satluj, and it has many smaller western tributaries as well, like Kuram, Gomal, Zob, Kabul, and we are going to read all these in topography chapter. We can see there are some seasonal rivers or small rivers in Balochistan as well, like Hab, Hingol, Dasht, and we can see the desert areas in the right picture, like Thal Desert in Punjab, Thar Desert, which has three parts like Cholistan, Nara and Tharpakar in Sindh and southern Punjab. Then we have Kharan Desert in Balochistan. Now, if we talk about the importance of location, Pakistan is connected to Afghanistan by historic passes like Khyber Pass and Khojak Pass. We are connected with China through Khunjrab Pass. It is connected by Iran by road, rail and air and rail routes. Also with India by air, road and rail routes. Pakistan's coastline it is between the Middle East, Far East and Southeast Asian countries. So it is strategically very on a very good position. Karachi airport is at central location as well. 1992 onwards, opportunity to provide transit trade to landlocked countries, the Central Asian republics, on the pattern of Afghan Transit Trade Agreement and CPAC. It brings huge profits to Pakistan, and huge deposits of power resources in these Central Asian republics can be of great help to Pakistan. We have bilateral trade with China and Iran, which is also very important for Pakistan. So this was the important introduction to our beloved country. I hope the points are clear to you. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.